Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, day 17. Here is our sketch today. This is the sketch here, so I'm going to do this one photo of me and the hubs at the Garden Glow in St. Louis, Missouri. I am going to use one of my December scrap room kits. We've got the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage. So I have some of the, I guess that's like cardstock stickers on some foamy. We've got some chipboard clusters. I have a few of the little embellishments. I've got red cardstock. It's Basil Kisses. Then I'm gonna sneeze. Bless me. Okay, I've got this piece here, which I've cut out some of those little truckies. I've got this piece here. Apologies. I've been sick lately and I'm still trying to get better. So I've got this piece, beautiful, but I can also use this to cut some pieces out. I have this piece, which I totally am going to fussy cut some of those out. So, and then we've got that. Oh, I'm gonna use this one. Dang Skippy. We're gonna use that one, and then I'm gonna fussy cut out some of this. Yeah, I'm gonna fussy cut out this and this. So I already know that. So let's just cut into it. So we're gonna fussy cut this out, and I'm gonna need to pause and go blow my nose because I've been sick. And I tell you what, it has, I don't really know why I'm trying to make that perfect, you guys. It has been tricky for sure. I actually want that whole little piece right there. We're gonna end up with a whole bunch of scraps for real on this kit, but I adored this layout and or this collection, and I really wanted to get it, but I'm trying not to like buy everything. It's hard, I know. So I can get that, and then I want that magical too. So we're just gonna pop right in there, and let's cut these out. Don't be afraid to cut these items out, right? Because it's just paper. You can use all kinds of fun things. You can definitely use other pieces. Like you can pull in cardstock and use the pattern paper however you need to. Let's see. I think let's pull in one of these cute little cars. We'll pull in a few of them, right? So I'm going to pull in these cars as well. So I'm going to be fussy cutting out some of these guys. Alright, so that's my fussy cuts. And I might not fussy cut into that just yet. So we're going to put this to the side. I'm going to trim the branding strip off. I think I'm going to leave this as is, and we're going to take our X-Acto knife, and I'm going to cut right in there so that I can tuck the photo in. Yes, yes, yes. Fussy cut this, and then I'm going to go through this and see what I can use. So we'll be right back. Alright, so I have got this piece cut, as you can see, and then I've just got it stuck in there and washi taped. I fussy cut out pretty much everything but this chipboard piece and this chipboard piece. Everything else is fussy cut. So I've got my 3 little binder clips, mouse purses. They've been called a ton of different things. So that little star is cute. Don't really see if we get some of those on there. Can we get the bird in there? I think maybe put it down here. I believe we'll get the little cardinal in there. Yeah, so this is kind of like a believe, magical, joy. Because me and the Hubs had a little bit of a rough patch last year, so being able to be together for Christmas was super spectacular. I love that man. He does bring me complete joy, but there's already joy on there. Got a whole bunch of other little fussy cut florals. Let's pop this little star down. Okay. I'll put that there, and then I actually want to come in. I did pull that's some of the February release items from Spiegelmom Scraps. If you guys head over, use my code and get a percentage off. If you got PR codes, you guys use them. Don't pay full price if you don't have to. All right, so what we want to do, I would love to like dot all of those, but that's unrealistic and not going to happen. It could, but I'm not going to do it. So let's just come in and put a few of these little wine and roses sequins on here. So I have my Be Kind from Shiloh's Color, and then my little sequin bowl, which was actually just a little dip bowl that I got for a Christmas gift one year. Kind of fun. And they only gave us one. So it was kind of like, okay, not real sure. So we're just going to pop some of these in. And luckily, there's all kinds of different ones in here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pop those around the layout there so they give it a little sprinkle and shine. Don't really know if you guys want to watch me do that. What else? I am getting ready to host start prepping to host another class, and I am working with a fabulous kit company to provide the kits for the mixed media class. It's only going to be it'll be a one-day class. I'm not going to spread it out over. I gave everybody the option this time for my Q1 class, and we're going to do, the thing is, I work a lot, so I work a lot of Saturdays as well, so Sunday's my only day off, and, you know, sometimes I just don't want to scrap. But that being said, so it'll be a one-day class, but it'll be like 2 or 3 hours. We'll learn some mixed media fun, we'll create some layouts. So if you are interested in that, drop me a line and let me know, because we will get you able to sign up so that you can get, and then it's going to be like almost an exclusive type kit, which I think is super cool. So, and it'll also have like a little introduction to the kit club for you, and if you want to join the kit club, that would be awesome as well. Okay, I'm trying to spread them out so that there's not like all the same, hanging out, you know. What else to tell you? What else to tell you? Alright, actually I think that is going to be it. I was going to use those, but I think I'll save those for the next layout that we do. And then so you just take your little bitty bowl, and you don't have to like, I used to have to like swipe them off the desk and da 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 da, and that one's going to stick to my finger. Alright, easy cleanup. And let's see what we got there. I'm going to drop these back in here. I think that is going to do it for today's layout. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I also just keep my newest releases right here hanging up next to me. Don't forget to check everyone else out that's playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. I kind of really, I mean, I've got the 3 spots. I lost it there at the end, didn't I? But once I seen this paper, I knew what I wanted to do, and then I just don't always want to play with the sketch. So that is completely okay. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will check you later with another video. Bye.